Ethereum's network gets more expensive and slower to utilize as more people join in. Ethereum then developed a Layer 2 scaling solution to address this issue. What is this remedy and how does it help? In today's video, let's find out. What is Optimism Layer 2, Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution? Building decentralized applications, launching tokens, and using virtual currency occur on Ethereum, a public blockchain. It is a very available virtual computer. The Optimism Layer 2 makes Ethereum cheaper and faster for everyone. Optimism Layer 2 is a scaling solution for Ethereum that lowers the cost of transactions on the blockchain. Optimism rolls up, multiplies cryptocurrency transactions into one, then pushes them to a different blockchain for further processing. It is believed that Layer 2 solutions could help Ethereum reduce the number of transactions. The network speed and throughput must be enhanced for Ethereum to be effectively and broadly used. With Optimism, the Ethereum network can scale quickly to speed up transactions without sacrificing security and decentralization. This platform is not for professional financial advice or a planning or investment tool. When investing, always conduct your research. You'll discover that Optimism is based around servers, which we will explore in a moment, even though Optimism allows for simple scaling without sacrificing security and decentralization. Due to the increase in the number of individuals using Ethereum, the network has reached its threshold. This has raised the cost of using the network, demanding scaling solutions. Enhancing high transaction rates and transaction speeds without sacrificing security or decentralization is the fundamental goal of scalability. The Layer 1 network experiences longer transaction times and expensive gas prices due to high demand. Assisting with transactions outside of the Ethereum network, Optimism uses the Ethereum infrastructure. Optimism maintains communication with Ethereum's Layer 1 to guarantee the same degree of security and decentralization throughout a transaction. Layer 1 deals with security, decentralization, and data availability, while Optimism Layer 2 deals with scaling. While throughput and speed are essential, maintaining decentralization and security of scaling systems supporting these goals is equally important.
Most importantly, Ethereum needs to maintain the network security and high level of decentralization.
The entrance barrier for node operations must be kept as low as feasible to prevent the growth of centralized and dangerous processing power. Do not hesitate to subscribe if our video enlightens you. Most Layer 2 solutions are built around a cluster of servers, and nodes are used to describe each server. These nodes may be operated by people, companies, a third-party operator, or a mainnet. Instead of transactions going directly to Layer 1, Layer 2 nodes receive the transactions. Nothing in this video should be constructed as expert advice on finances. Before investing, always conduct your research. To combine multiple cryptocurrency transactions onto one, Optimism uses optimistic rollups, which is then pushes to another blockchain for processing. Because optimistic rollups inherits the security characteristics from Ethereum, they are considered hybrid scaling solutions. If off-chain transactions are legitimate but do not present proofs of validity for transaction batches put on-chain, they are referred to as optimistic. This means that, unlike the zero-knowledge rollups, the optimistic rollups do not require proof of authentication. Outside of Ethereum, they implement transactions. Compression methods are also used in optimistic rollups to lessen the amount of data published on Ethereum. Meanwhile, Fred Ehrsen believes working on Ethereum could be similar to working at a Google, lower risk with broad impact right away. Instead of using a fraud-proving strategy to find instances when transactions are not calculated accurately, optimistic rollups do so. Anyone may contest the outcomes of a rollup transaction by creating fraud proof within a specific time frame after a rollup batch has been posted on Ethereum. If the fraud proof is successful, the rollup protocol repeats the transactions and modifies the rollup state as necessary. Though optimistic rollups implement transactions outside Ethereum, they are compatible with smart contracts, which we will discuss shortly. On top of Ethereum, optimistic rollups are off-chain scaling options. A collection of intelligent contracts installed on the Ethereum network control each optimistic rollup. Positive rollups conduct transactions away from the main Ethereum chain, but post off-chain transactions to an on-chain rollup agreement. Our content serves only informational purposes. Never take any of our information or resources as legal, tax, or investment advice. Always make an effort to conduct your research before making any investments. Layer 2 solutions are network-based and don't call for any adjustments. They still impact the Layer 1 network's agreement mechanism security, but they speed up and simplify transactions. While some Layer 2 projects can manage up to 4,000 transactions per second, Layer 1 can only handle roughly 15 transactions per second. The aggregator posts a number of transactions to Layer 1 smart contract and is a crucial player in this approach. Through the use of challenges from other network users, invalid transactions are eliminated, Unlike other Layer 2 systems, optimistic rollups are compatible with smart contracts, which is a crucial advantage. This is essential for maintaining cheap transaction fees and easing network congestion. On platforms that support optimistic rollups, transaction speed can be increased. Since this is quick enough for Ethereum's current transaction throughput, it should encourage more people to use alternative platforms. Many people employ Ethereum today, and to make transactions fast and easy, Ethereum has employed the Optimism Layer 2 scaling solutions, which has proven its worth, and users now enjoy using Ethereum. Continue watching our videos to keep you informed and entertained. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.